Hi, this is Anjaneyulu, Physics faculty. Welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are going to discuss 7th class physics. The topic is first equation of motion. This we are also called as a velocity time relation. So here what is first equation of motion? So according to basic definition of acceleration equal to rate of change of velocity. That means change in velocity by time. A equal to v minus u by t. So v minus u equal to at. So v equal to at. So this is the formula of first equation of motion. In this one, u is called initial velocity, v is called final velocity, a is called acceleration, t is the time taken. So in this one, here it is velocity and time based, that's why this relation is called velocity time relation. Okay. Based upon this, now we are going to discuss some bits. The first one is, which of the following relation is correct? Which of the following relation is correct? So first one is, so here first one is a equal to v minus u by t. Second one is u equal to v minus at. Third one t equal to v minus u by a. Fourth one all of these. Okay, once you see here, according to our basic first equation of motion, v equal to u plus at. So if u comes to left side, v minus u equal to at, then a equal to v minus u by t. So that's why first relation is satisfied. Next, so in this one, if you consider v equal to u plus at, if this at comes to left side, so v minus at equal to u. So that means u equal to, how can you write? U equal to v minus at. So second equation satisfied. Next one, so from this one, from v minus u by t, if t comes to subject, t equal to v minus u by a. So t equal to v minus u by a. Third relation also satisfied. So that's why three relations are correct. So our answer is all of these. Fourth option is correct. Second one. If your body starts from rest, if a body starts from rest and acquires a velocity of 10 meter per second, 10 meter per second in 4 seconds. In 4 seconds. Then find acceleration. Then find acceleration in kilometer per hour square. Kilometer per hour square. So first option is 4 kilometer per hour square. Second option is 9 kilometer per hour square. And third option is 12 kilometer per hour square. Fourth option is none of these. None of these. Okay. So in this problem, once see here, if a body starts from rest, So body starts from rest means initial velocity 0, u equal to 0, and acquires a velocity of 10 meter per second. So the final velocity is 10 meter per second, but our target is in kilometer per hour square. That's why we should convert this meter per second into kilometer per hour. That is 10 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So here 2 times 2 into 18, 36 kilometer per hour is the final velocity. So here time taken t equal to 4 seconds. Then find the acceleration. So a equal to v minus u by t. So v minus u, 36 minus 0, 36 by time value 4. So our answer is 9 kilometer per hour square. 9 kilometer per hour square. So second option is correct. Next, third problem. If a body starts with an initial velocity of, if a body starts with an initial velocity of 108 kilometer per hour, 108 kilometer per hour, and comes to rest after 10 seconds. After 10 seconds. Then find acceleration produced. Then find, so here the body comes to rest means, so here deceleration produced, so then find deceleration or retardation or negative acceleration. Then find negative acceleration. So here first option is 3 meter per second. Second option is 3 meter per second square. Third option is 6 meter per second square. Fourth option is 9 meter per second. So in this problem, once see here, if a body starts with an initial velocity of 108 kilometer per hour. So here initial velocity 108 kilometer per hour. But our answer is in terms of meters, meter per seconds. So here acceleration means meter per second square is the unit. So that's why we should convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. How? 108 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So here 6 times. So 5 into 6 here 30 meter per second is the initial velocity. And final velocity v equal to 0. Why? Because the body comes to rest. Final velocity 0 after 10 seconds. So time value 10 seconds given. 10 seconds. Then find negative acceleration. So minus a equal to question mark. So what is the basic formula? A equal to v minus u by t. So a equal to v value 0 minus 30 by 10. So here a equal to minus 3 because 0 minus 30 by 10 minus 3. So here minus a equal to 3. Minus a equal to 3 because they are asking negative acceleration. Minus a equal to 3, but the units are meter per second square. So 3 meter per second square is the answer. So second option is correct. In first option 3 is okay, but the unit is meter per second. That's why first option is not correct. In second one 3 meter per second square, unit is correct, and magnitude also correct. That's why second option is correct. Next, fourth problem. If your body starts with an initial velocity of, if your body starts with an initial velocity of 54 kilometer per hour, 54 kilometer per hour, and increases to its velocity and increases to its velocity 108 kilometer per hour due to acceleration 10 meter per second square. Then find time taken. To acquire this velocity. So first option 2 seconds, second option 3 seconds, third option 4 seconds, fourth option 1.5 seconds. So solution. In this, if your body starts with an initial velocity of 54 kilometer per hour, so initial velocity uv equal to 54 kilometer per hour. But here acceleration given in meter per second square, and the options are also given in seconds. That's why we should convert this velocity into meter per second. So here 54 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So 3 times, so 15 meter per second. Next, final velocity is 108 kilometer per hour. So 108 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So here 6 times. So final velocity is 30 meter per second. And acceleration given 10 meter per second square. So time is our target. So the mathematical formula is A equal to V minus U by T. So T equal to V minus U by A. So by reciprocal, if you take T equal to V minus U by A. So T is equal to V minus U by A. So V value 30 minus 15 by acceleration 10. So 15 by 10, answer is 1.5 second. Answer is 1.5 second. So here fourth option is correct. Okay. Thank you.